Before you generate a single image, you need to know who this avatar is. A persona without a clear identity produces inconsistent content, different vibes in every video, mismatched voice, audience confusion. Spending an hour on persona design saves you weeks of pivoting later. The persona framework. Every successful AI influencer has 6 defined attributes: name, memorable, easy to spell, niche-appropriate age range, drives appearance, voice, and content topics. Visual archetype. What they look like, dress like, where they're filmed, voice and tone, how they speak. Warm, direct, sarcastic, motivational. Backstory. What gives them authority in the niche? Core values. The 2-3 beliefs that anchor everything they say. Male versus female. Avatars real talk on the data. In most niches, female avatars get higher engagement on visual platforms, Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, while male avatars perform better in finance, tech, and authority-driven content. There are exceptions in every direction. Pick based on niche fit, not assumption. Key point. Don't pick gender based on what you think will go viral. Pick based on the audience your niche serves. A pet niche audience is 75% women. A female avatar feels native. A precious metals investing niche skews male over 50. A confident male avatar with gray at the temples lands harder. Age positioning. Age signals authority and relatability. 20 to 28. Trend savvy, energetic, fits beauty, fitness, fashion, lifestyle. 29 to 39. The sweet spot for most niches. Established but relatable. 40-55. Authority figure. Works for finance, business, parenting, faith. 55 plus. Wisdom positioning. Retirement, health and aging, legacy topics. Voice personality archetypes. Pick one. Don't blend. The warm mentor. Gentle, encouraging, supportive. Great for faith, motivation, wellness. The direct expert. No fluff, no hype, just data. Finance, tech, business. The energetic friend. High energy, casual, fun, fitness, beauty, lifestyle. The calm authority. Measured, thoughtful, premium, luxury, real estate, legal. The bold disruptor. Strong opinions. Contrarian. Politics. Alternative health. Prepping. Backstory. The trust foundation. Even though the avatar is virtual, audiences want to know why they should listen. Your backstory needs to answer. What problem did this character overcome? What did they learn that others haven't? Why are they sharing it now? Example. Maya, 32, former marketing exec who left a 6-figure agency job after burnout, taught herself behavioral psychology, now helps solopreneurs build audiences without losing their minds. Voice. Warm direct, no hype. Tagline. Marketing without the noise. Building trust as a virtual persona. This is the part most beginners get wrong. They try to hide that the avatar is AI generated. That backfires the moment someone notices, and someone always notices. The successful approach. Be upfront. The bio says something like, AI-powered creator, built to deliver consistent, research-backed content in niche. Audiences respect honesty more than they punish artificiality. The novelty even helps you stand out.